Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to find channel on WhatsApp. So let's get started. Begin by opening your WhatsApp application. Then tap on Updates. Tap on the plus icon. And then tap on Find Channels. Then search the channel that you are looking for. And this is how you can find channels on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.